everyone! So about 2 years ago, I posted this video here in which I took you guys through a McDonald's drive-thru. That video got a lot of views and it's still getting views today, so clearly you guys are interested in this topic. So today I'm back at McDonald's and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to order food at a McDonald's drive-thru. Last time I only bought a coffee, so this time I'm gonna walk you through the process of buying a meal. This information is helpful to those of you who have just moved to North America and want to know what the experience is like. So let's get going. So some of you guys commented on my last video and you told me that McDonald's is not a very healthy choice. Well, you're right. I'm trying to eat healthy right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what it's like to order at the drive-thru, but I'm not going to eat the food. So afterwards, I'm probably going to find someone who may appreciate a free meal, and maybe I'll try to ask them some English questions and I'll give the food away. So let's get going. Drive-thru, and it's very nice. There's no line right now, so I'm just pulling up to the place where I order. The sign.
Are there collecting points?
No, I'm not collecting points today.
What can I get for you?
May I please get a cheeseburger?
Yeah.
And a small fries?
One cheeseburger and one small fries?
Yes.
Okay.
And I think that's everything.
Back to the next window. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I'm going to drive forward and go pay and pick up my food. That employee spoke very, very clearly, but you'll see if you order at a fast food restaurant in North America, people tend to speak very fast and sometimes it's hard to know what they say. Right. So I've just paid for my order. Now I'm going to pull forward to the second window and pick up my food. My meal cost $5.75. Thank you. So I've got my food now, and that was so fast. It took all of maybe 30 seconds. So here's the food that I've ordered. Inside, you'll find the receipt, and then sometimes they give you napkins, and then you've got the fries and the burger. This is called a cheeseburger because it comes with cheese, obviously. You can also just get what's called a hamburger, and that's the same thing without cheese. When you order at a fast food restaurant, you can order a meal, which means that the burger will come with fries and a drink, or you can just order the items individually. It tends to be cheaper when you buy a meal, but some people, including myself, we don't like pop, so I never order a meal. So when you order a meal at, let's say, McDonald's, it comes with fries and it comes with a drink. It usually comes with something that's called pop. In Canada, we call it pop. I think in the States, people call it soda, and that can be Coca-Cola, Sprite, Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper. There's all sorts of different types of pop. You can order your pop without ice, but it usually comes with ice if you don't say anything. Now, as you guys could see, that went really, really fast, and the employees were super efficient. So it took all of 30 seconds to place my order and get my food. Sometimes there's a huge line, and sometimes if you're ordering a lot of food, it can take more time for them to prepare your food. So what they'll do is they'll tell you to pull forward, and then there's designated parking spots for people to pull into, and then an employee will bring out the food to your car, and that just frees up the line so that they can help more people. Now we're going to go find someone who looks like they may appreciate having some free food. So let's go. So that's it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and make sure you turn on alerts so that you can get notified about my new videos. Leave a comment if you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more content like this and to learn more of what life in North America is like. As always, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you next time.